Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create your own sounds and videos using these two AI tools. Let's be real, a lot of people have lost their YouTube channels or videos because of copyright claims on music. Even Instagram and TikTok can take your post down if you use copyrighted songs. So today, I will show you the top 2 AI tools you can use to safely create your own music and videos, all from simple text prompts. Imagine turning any idea in your head into a stunning video without needing a camera or editing skills. These tools are super beginner friendly, no fancy editing or music skills needed, just your ideas and a few clicks. Number 1 is Suno. Suno is for creating your music, while Pixeverse is for creating your videos. Let's go. First of all, you have to go to your browser, and then there you type Suno AI. And when you get to Suno AI, it will automatically show you things you can sign up with: Discord, Facebook, Google, Apple, whatever. Me, I'm signing in with my Google because that's what I sign in with always. I've already registered my email. I have an account with them. I have already registered email with them. So I sign in, but if you don't have an account, you can just sign up and then it will show you the steps on how to do that. So I sign in, I put my password, and boom, it brings me to what exactly I want to see. It shows me options like home, library, all that. And the center button is where the plus music sign is where I create. And as you can see, you're seeing the sounds I've been able to create so far while using this space. So I like turning mine to instrumental because it's actually more clearer. I like it because most of the times I can use the sound for videos where I speak, so I don't really need distraction. So yes, we're going to use the example here and just tap create, and that is it. You wait for a while, just for a second, and yes, dropped in the machine out just like that. It's not hard. It is very, very, very easy to use. You want to download it, you're going to click the 3 buttons, then you go down to download MP3, and then you click on download anyway, and it brings out if you want to download as MP3, and you download it. That's just all for Suno. That is how you create your sound. It is very easy. Next one is going to be Pixeverse. Already, as you can see, I already have the app on my phone, so it's actually very easy for me. I'm just going to go there, and as you can see, a lot of people have created videos for themselves. There are a lot of, they're showing you options. You can use templates. So what I do is it says upload your image. Well, I don't want to upload an image, so I'll choose text to create instead. So I imagine something, whatever you're imagining, just write it down. Using a DDM take-off background, let's just make it simple and cool. And yeah, in seconds, it will notice you when it's ready. Chill, that's all. And yes, your video in before 10 seconds, and maybe 20, probably 20, your video will be ready, and boom. If you want to download it, click on the download, and then it will bring out save as watermark. You save it as watermark.
Welcome back, guys. So if you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who loves tech, definitely try out Suno and Pixeverse. Go explore and let me know what you can create. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more quick AI tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.